In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can buy and sell on Etoro. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, and the first thing you'll need to do is actually just open up Etoro. Now, I'll be doing this on the Etoro website, however, feel free to follow along on the mobile app as well, because the process is pretty much the same. So once you've got Etoro loaded up and you're logged into your account, we can first go to the search bar at the top, and we can just search for something that we want to buy. Now, let's just say that we wanted to buy and sell an Nvidia stock. What I could do is go down to Nvidia and click on it. And from there, we can see an overview of the stock, including a chart, as well as any other important information. However, in order to buy it, we have to go to the top right corner and click trade. And from there, we can choose to either short or buy this stock. Now, since we're trying to buy the stock, we're first going to make sure we have buy ticked up here. And we can then choose how much of the stock we want to buy. So as of now, I've got it set to $10,000, which will get me 84.62 shares. And we can also add a stop loss, leverage, and a take profit if we want. However, for this video, I'm not going to be covering those. So let's just say we did want to buy $10,000 worth of Nvidia. We could go ahead and choose to buy. And as you can see down here, the order's been received and we'll be buying Nvidia at its market price. Now, as you can see, the market is currently closed, meaning this order hasn't actually gone through, and since I haven't actually bought it yet, that means I can't sell it. So in order to sell, I'll show you how to do it with Bitcoin, but don't worry, the process is exactly the same. So let's just say this is the Nvidia stock which we just bought. If we wanted to actually sell this, we could go to the right hand side and we'll see a close button right here. So we can click on close, and as you can see, this is how we can sell. It shows us the current value of our investment, as well as the profit and loss. And as you can see, I've currently lost $200 on this trade. So I can click close trade to sell it. And that will then lock in our profit and loss. And as you can see, the order's now been filled and we've now sold that position. So that's how you can buy and sell on Etoro. I hope you found this video helpful and thanks for watching.